Hey traders, let's take a look at tension. Now we were moving into a really interesting spot on Thursday where we were able to get 2-0 and that put us into the ranging mindset. Now what we wanted to see was if we'd continue the range or start a trend. And you'll see that we continued to build tension in this direction. And what's interesting about that is it's a little harder to tell if we got into a bearish trending mindset or if we continued. And the way you can see is by looking at momentum. If momentum came up and tested 0 or gave us some bullish idea and then sold that off, that would be trending mindset and could help us deduce that this indeed was bearish. But we're not seeing that. You can see through the morning that we didn't get that. So I'm viewing this as still in a ranging mindset, and what that means is I expect tension to release back up and you know, back down and back and forth is what I'm expecting out of it. Now something that could happen on Monday would be to see tension release up close and then the market sell that off. That will put us into that bearish trending mindset. So I want to be really clear about that. We have that possibility of a bearish trending mindset coming up on Monday, but we're still in the range. I just want to put that in your mind so that you're ready for that when it comes up. We have 43% positive tension. So when you're in a range and you have strong positive tension like this, the expectation is to see the market gap up and for that tension to release and drag prices up. That's what I'm expecting from that. What's that going to look like on Monday? It's going to look like strong positive advanced decline, the velocity number being quite positive. But you have to be careful because in the ranging mindset where the trend hasn't been established yet, you might get duped thinking that large numbers are going to drag prices up and down, and that's just not going to be the case during the range. So pay attention to that. Keep your eye on the advanced decline and the momentum number. It should, on Monday morning when it opens, we should see strongly positive velocity numbers. So look, you know, on this indicator, we could probably even see them up here in the hundreds, which will probably move right back down because we're in a range, we're not in a trend. So keep that in mind. If you have questions about this, shoot me a message. I'm always open to talk about trading. I hope this was helpful. As always, good luck trading.